In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then click on this gear at the top left corner to operate all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you finish, hit top right corner and bottom right corner. Select the save wallpaper, hit yes, tap on set wallpaper and decide where. Then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!